At earlier classes, we talk about extrude boss, evolve boss, sweep cut, loft, boundary base, and then extrude cut, evolve cut, sweep cut, loft cut, boundary cut. All of the things I talk about right there, right? Okay.
Right. Yeah.
Okay. Come to the next portion is here is why I talk today's is my fillet. Okay. Because I
Okay.
can't talk about the fillet, how many types of fillets we are using. Okay. I just click on the top basis. First of all, I make some sketch right here for explaining what is fillet is. I just click on it and then exit my sketch, come to this portion, and then use extrude bow space. Okay, this is extrude bow space. And the right here is my 20 is sufficient. Now, this is my object. And then for the fillet, you know about the fillet. Fillet is used for the curve in portions right there.
Right.
Okay. And then in this case, we have this fillet right there. This is my fillet. If you click on the fillet,
Radius.
you see what we see here. Yeah.
There is two fillet, radius and chamfer fillet.
Okay. Fillets. Okay. We come on the fillet. This is my fillet options, right? You see
Okay.
that's the
Yeah.
fillet option. This is I have a four types of fillet option are there. Fillet type,
Okay.
four types of fillet types are there. Okay. First all is your constant fillet. Second of all is your variable fillets. And third one will use is your face fillet. And then fourth one use your full round fillet. Okay. What they do for that? I just show that you can show. One second. This fillet is called as constant fillet. What's it called?
Constant fillet.
Constant fillet in the part. And this fillet you see here is called
Very
variable fillet.
visible fillet.
Okay. And this fillet is called
Mm,
face fillet.
Face filter.
Okay. And
Uh,
last one is called as
Round fillet.
full round fillet. Okay. This is a four types of fillet used in your SolidWorks. Right there.
Okay.
If you need that, then you can also take a screenshot for this part because this is a
Okay.
showing you the types. Okay, take it.
Okay.
Take a screenshot or not?
Uh, yeah, it took photo.
Okay, check it first. Then we start the experiment.
Yeah.
That's done?
Yes, done.
Okay, good. Okay, then I just clear. Okay, come to this portion. We talk about first of all thing is my face fillet. Face fillet we already use here. Where you want to face, select your any faces right here. Where you select this portion, then this face fillet is work right here. Okay. Which ages
Okay.
you want to do? This is ages we select here, and then this will be done. This is called a face fillet. Where you
Okay.
press and as much you can search here. Suppose in this direction and in this direction, any of the direction you can make here the fillet. Right here.
Okay.
I all the faces I selected one by one, and then apply here the edges. Right. And then if you want to show apply in the down direction, you can also do it. Right here. Okay.
Okay.
So this way you can create multiple of things, right? And also for this portion. And then if I click OK, then what will we get? We get this type of objects, right?
Yes, right.
This is called a face fillet. Simple face fillet you can create it here by using all this fillet. Okay? Simple
Okay.
thing. Okay? But we sure this is my part of the face fillet. But if you want to show about the next fillet right here, just click and then I delete this fillet because I don't need here. Okay. Then I
Okay.
come to the again in the fillet keys, click on the fillet option. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Fillet option we click, but the next type is your so they say the variable size fillet. If you click on the variable size fillet right there, and then
Yes.
select any size, okay, right there. To what you do, the variable is you ready to this position. V1, okay. If you will V1 right here just trend, okay, and then this is your V2.
V2.
V2 you write is 20.
Okay.
Okay. This is called a variable flex, where you change your variables upside down.
Okay.
Okay, but on this normal fillet, constant fillet, where we have to specify the size only, each every in upper to the down is same, not the different sizes, right? This is called a
Okay.
variable, right?
Okay.
Your fillets will be vary up to down. Okay,
Okay. Clear.
simple. And you can get it here. If you again just click delete this portion right here because I just explain what they use here. Right? So this portions, I just again use a fillet. Uh, I just click select on the variable fillet right here and select
Okay.
eight four portions. Okay, and then inside these portions right here. Okay, we
Okay.
have symmetric one is set all or not. For set for all, you can also set for all and then make as a same as it did for the edges of the both side.
Okay.
Okay, if you want to change this, then you can change this here. Okay, if you don't want to asymmetric, then you can check radius, two side radius, one this and this portions also you can change it. Okay, so
Okay.
this two you can select here to suppose I check here's a 15. Okay, and then here I just check here is a 20, right? And then if
Okay.
cats, what will we find out we cats here? You can get type of fillets,
Okay.
right?
Fillet. Yeah.
Okay. By
Yes.
asymmetric and asymmetric, you can do is here. Same thing you can do for the if I click on the fillet again, and if I select in the same fillets and then select this portion, this will be shown here. If you select here symmetric, then one radius will be done. If you select it as symmetric, then you can specify second radius, 20 radius. There is this direction we have the radius 2 and this direction is radius 1. This is also done on the on by using your constant fillet. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Same thing you can then using by the constant fillet also. I deleted
Okay.
this because I don't need here.
Okay.
And this is my save variables field. That's clear? How what's the difference between them? Okay,
Yes.
come to the next portion is here is my face fillet. Face fillet, what's a face fillet is do? So first of all, select your face, which face you want to do. Okay, I select my face. Okay, and then where you want to uh, one second, face one and face two. Okay, just select your two faces where you want to do as a fillet. First phase one and then phase two, and then this on this phase we can show it. And in this case, you use a schematic first of all, and then you write here the 10 mm, 20 mm. This will be work on between your faces, not the A's, right? We
Right.
select first phase and then right phase, then you can got this data right here. Right? So this will be work on the faces, not the other. If I
Okay.
edit it, come to this portion, I edit this. And then if you want to asymmetric mode, you can also use as asymmetric mode right there. You can write here as 10, 20, whatever it is, okay? Then you can make here, okay? If you
Yes.
click on OK, then this will be portion will be created, this type of thing created right here.
Okay.
Again, this will be done on all the faces, right?
Okay.
Okay. And then I come to other one, click on this portion again. And in this case, we have other options also, crowd widths, okay? This is my crowd width we see here, okay? Circular,
Okay.
conic here I know, okay, and then here we can conic radius, you can change here the cons radius right here, okay,
Okay.
and curvature continuously, which type of you want to face setup here, okay. Code
Okay.
have the multiple things right here, 15 mm, okay. So this type of way you can, if you have to conic higher, and then in this case you write this one, okay? And then if you click 0.5 and then click on this portion, this type of it will be created and then this will be sharp edges will be made, okay. So many
Okay.
options are available for the fillet options. You can do anything right here, asymmetric hold lines, okay, and then hold
Okay.
can show here to which line you hold it, okay. uh, in this case, we don't have any whole lines. That's why we don't use it, because whole lines is used for the which line to which line you can want to do here, the fillet. Okay.
Okay.
Suppose to this. Okay. If you want to show this type of thing, you can create the whole lines also. Okay. In this case, we don't need to be assign any dimensions right there. In this case, we don't have need to be assigned as a dimension right there. That's why we don't use it. Okay. This is called my fillet options, right? Okay, and then circular curvature continuous, whatever it is you. Okay, I just need as a circular, and then click on OK. In this case, we use this point to this point and make as a fillet.
Yeah.
Okay, this is
Okay.
simple. You can create your fillets right there. I just delete these fillets. I don't need here. Just explain what is its. Uh, then come to the fillets again. Okay. If you select here uh, this portion where you want to put here the this portions, and then this is my variables.
Okay.
1 second. Mm, Conic I know is not here. Conic is I don't use here, and
Mm.
conversion is not used. Mm, okay, coverage is okay. Okay, setback parameters is good. Okay, nice one. No, I just okay. This is just a fillet. I just make here. Okay. Okay, come to the next fillet option. Is my last option is my when we click on
Okay.
this last option is fully rounded fillet.
Play
Yeah,
around.
fully rounded fillet. What we do is you set your face set. Suppose I say set my face is this, and then
Okay.
second what you do center face set. If you want to do is suppose I want to say is delete it, and this is my face, and then this is
Okay.
my center face, and this is my end face right there.
Right.
Okay. Then what you see here, this is type of circular fillet will be created.
Okay.
Okay, this face to this face, and this is your center face. And then if you click OK, then this type of object will be created. This is called my circular fillet, fully circular,
Release up cloud.
right? Where we
Right.
select one face and second face, and after that, this selected this one, right?
Okay. Right.
This you can create this like the objects is right here. That's clear.
Yes, clear.
Okay. Okay, come to the next portion in this case. Just delete this portion. This is because I do this, right? And then come to the next portion is my chamfer. You know about the chamfer? What is chamfer?
Chamfer put angles with we edges, we reduce, make angles
Make angles.
10 degree, or like on the face to other face we can make uh
Mm.
5-degree chamfer, like uh on the edges we can make chamfers, right? Smooth.
Okay, if you click on the chamfer, here we have the chamfer option right here. Okay, if you click any portion, suppose I click on this portion. Okay, then once you say that, here we have this direction right here, and then here is my angle. 10 mm and 45-degree. If you click on OK, then once you see here, this is called my chamfer right here.
Mhm. Right. Yeah.
This is my chamfer where we have to cut some and some edges, some angles. This is called a chamfer, right?
Yes.
Yeah. But this way you can create anything by using of this one. Okay. If you do as here and then come to the chamfer option right here, I just click on it and delete this chamfer. I don't need here. What I do? Again, I go to the not the fillet, I come to the chamfer option. Right? And inside chamfer option, what you do? 1 second. Yeah, we have the chamfer option of other ones. This is my option angle distance option here. Okay, we have
Okay.
sometimes of angle distance here. This is my the distance and distance option only, and this is my vertex, and this is my offset fees, and this is my face fees. Okay. Okay, by default here we selected only on the distance by angle distance right here. Angle distance what they are do, if you click any faces right there, then
Okay.
one is your distance, right? One is your distance is 15 and on whatever it is, and then second one is your angle, whatever your
Mm.
angle is right here. Okay, if you
Okay.
flip this portion, you can flip it to
Okay.
otherwise outside there. Okay, and this
Okay.
is you get this angle. If you click this, then this type of chamfer will be created here. If I don't know, I need to create this type of thing, and then I want to take a distance, not the angle. Okay, then what I do? Just click on it and then go to the chamfer option. And then here we select this type of option where you have the, if you click on this portion and then we can select 10 mm, this will be fine. Okay. Here,
Okay.
what the symmetric do? Symmetric is do is same length taken in this portion also and this portion or portion
Okay.
also. If you click on the asymmetric, then you can take both the directions as the different options, right? And if you click this will be created. This part will be is a different length, and this part is will be a different length from the corner points, right? That's clear. Hello.
Yes, clear.
Yeah. Okay. Come to the next portion is here chamfer again. Next one is your chamfer this is my distance to distance only, and there's nothing I will be able to do. This is my the what the vertex. Where you
Thanks.
want to substitute vertex, just click on vertex right there. Okay. And this is
Okay.
points we selected here. And then in this case,
Okay.
we have three difference, one, two, and three. Distance
Yeah.
one, distance two, and distance three. If I show in equal distances right here, this will be shown as this like format. Okay.
Okay.
You
Okay.
any once you want to make is a fillet, fillet chamfer, then you can make this type of object will be created right here. Okay.
Okay.
And then I've just click it just and delete these portions. I don't need these portions also. Okay. Come to this again and then click on the sorry, I don't need the fillets. Sorry. I select song is chamfer.
Yeah.
Okay. In this case, we vertex, if you select any vertex idea, if you select this portion and then any position, the not this one and this other one, here you can specify different length of the part is there also. And suppose in this case I write here's a 20 parts. Okay. So this portion will be created 10 mm, this portion will be created 15 mm, this portion is created is your
20
20,
mm.
right? And then if you
Yeah.
click this portion, this type of fill chamfer part is created right here. Okay.
Okay.
Come to the next position is this. I just start my other way. Here, chamfer is selected here.
Okay.
And then next one is my offset face. If you click on offset face, and then in this case, first of all, select your ace to chamfer. I just select my ace to chamfer. This is my ace, okay? Where you
Okay.
symmetric and asymmetric right there, okay?
Okay.
Anything you can select the symmetric part and then asymmetric. So it just look like same as it is this portions right there. If you
Yeah.
right do is tan, then you can do is a trend. If you parcel it, then you can parcel it. This is work only when you have this type of thing, and then you can want to switch it, okay?
Both. Okay.
Then right here, and then if you want to parcel as fillets, right?
Okay.
Okay. So you can also parcel is fillet is this portion also. Okay. You selected other edges also, and then offset of distance, distance offset, and then if you click on OK, then once you get there, you can get this, and the same position will be done in the other edges right there. Okay. And this is as like is same. Uh, 1 second. Okay, so I do is this offset parameters right here, and then if I select it here, is my this portion, and I just write 12.
Okay.
If I selected this one, parser fillet, and if you click this portion to this partially, so what I do, I just screw it and then change this distance between this point to this point only. Okay, this the
Okay.
partial fillet is true. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, a passive plate was a passive plate too. Suppose here I take a 30, then this is will be shown on the 30 and then this will be check the offset between the 30 right here. And if you click on OK, then this parcel fillet will be done. Okay, and then in
Okay.
this will be shown. And then this is a call of chamfer file parcel right here. So by using
Okay.
this way, you can make this type of chamfer also. Clear? That's why this
Clear.
is partially chamfer. Okay,
Okay.
so the offset chamfer right there. And then we come to the again the chamfer option. Here, I just next one is my last one is face. If I selected face, first of the face this
Okay.
is this. Uh,
Okay.
yeah, I just delete this. I think next question will be selected in this portion, and this will
Okay.
that will be selected. In this case, we don't select here as a is. Here we select as a face. Okay, and then
Okay.
after that, we write here's dimensions between them. Okay, symmetric, asymmetric, code width, anything you can use here. Okay,
Okay.
okay. So this way you can create this line, and then if you want to do whole lines is used for the this line to this line. Uh,
Mhm.
okay, so this way you can create as a fillet right here. And if you click this portion, this type of object will be created.
Okay.
Okay, this is a simple way
Okay.
you can create it anything right here. Okay.
Okay.
uh, Come to this version, I just click make something else right here. I just click on it and then go to sketch. I make some sketches right here and I make some circle.
Okay.
Radius, smart dimension I took, and then radius I use this here is 40, the
Okay.
diameter. And then what I do, I delete it and then exit my sketch and come to the feature and extrude boss base.
Okay.
And right here is this is my 10 mm. Okay, and then this is sufficient. After this, again, I select my this portion and go
Okay.
to sketch. Again, I
Okay.
do sketch, make as a sketch, and
Okay.
uh, again
Yeah.
this one rectangle circle. Exit my sketch, feature,
Okay.
extrude boss pass.
Okay.
Right here is 30 mm. Okay.
Okay.
After this, I want to apply as a chamfer in between them. So how
Okay.
to get the apply as the chamfer in between them? Just go to the chamfer option,
Yeah.
click on chamfer.
Okay.
If I click on these portions, this
Okay.
type of chamfer will be created. But I
Okay.
need to be this type things is not to these portions. Uh,
Okay.
I just need here to whole lines. I select my
Okay.
whole line first this line and second. Where's second line? Second this line. Okay, and
Okay.
first this is my whole lines.
Okay.
Uh, Items to be chamfers.
Okay.
Just use a symmetric one.
Okay.
1 second. Uh, Whole line is not working in this case. Okay. This type of way you can create these things also by using the chamfer. Okay. Because I do
Okay.
different way. This is not working. If I check this out, why will be this working? I don't. I want to sync this stand to this point. Okay, because in this case, with this will be not work right here. No worry about it. Just check this out. What will be happening? Okay,
Okay. Okay.
basically this is simple chamfer you can create by using this. Okay,
Yes. Yes.
this
Okay.
is a chamfer example. I just say fillet and chamfer to you to how to make a chamfer and fillet this part right. Okay.
Right.
Ready?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Yes, right. I delete this one and then
Okay.
click yes, and then come to the next portion is web. Here we have the option of web also. As thin
Okay.
wireless support tools a solid body by adding material between one or more sketch controls. Okay, this is my web part. Okay, how do you do? Just show you. If uh, I just click on the web part. Okay,
Okay.
and you can select here.
Okay.
I just select, sorry for this portions. I just made it. 1 second. Where's it? I think it's right here. 1 minute.
Okay.
No, 1 second. I just do is mm, Okay, just I create a new one to for the rib example.
Okay.
Okay. So select front plane first and then go to sketch module. And I just make here as my center position to line. This is my straight line. I created
Okay.
here, and this is my part where you select here this to this. I close this. Okay. After that, go to the smart dimension. I mark as a dimension is between that. It's suppose 50 mm,
Mhm.
and this is also a
Mhm.
suppose I assign it as 60 mm right there. And distance between them is I select here. Oh, what's happening? Dimension क्यों नहीं ले रहा? I think I do wrong. Okay, I select this portion to this and then assign as a 10 mm.
Yeah.
And same way, I just select this line and then assign as a 20 mm also. Okay. Difference
Okay.
between them is I check here as a 10 mm to 10 mm and then I just click OK. And then go to the axis my sketch.
Okay.
Okay. After that, I use to go to feature and boss extrude. I do as a boss extrude right here. Just click on boss extrude
Okay.
and this will be shown and select as the mid plane.
Okay.
Select here is my 60 mm right here. I
Okay.
think this is sufficient as I check a 40 mm right. Okay, this is last. Okay, where we created this type of objects right here. And then in
Okay.
this case, we want to click as a rip options. Okay, so I just show you how to make as a rip, right? First of all, I again selected my right plane, front plane, and then I want to make this arc between them, front plane, and go to sketch. And here I select two plane, and then what I do, just take a palette and make a some some arc up according to yourself, and then this will be created
Okay.
like that. Okay. If you want to change the species, you can also do it as well, but I don't need here. Okay, then come to the next portion is here. Come to this portion and click on the rib option. Okay, if you click on the rib option and then see that what we see here,
Yeah, there is two more
two
lines.
lines are there. If you click on this portion, then one more line here. If you click both the side, then we will, and then it is right. Okay.
Okay.
And then this
Okay.
is between distance between them. If right here is a 5 mm between them, so this is only 5 mm. And then how
Okay.
can we show that? You can click here. Okay.
Okay.
If you click on these portions, okay, then what you get here,
It's yeah, middle have a support.
middle section, you can create this type of. What the path is this? I created this fiber. Sorry, I created of my part of these portions. That's why this will be created. And in this case, sorry, if you click on the rib option again, and then I select this portion to rib. Here we have two options. First option is your left side, and this is
Okay.
left right side where you want to rip this portion. And then if you want to do as a mid portions, right, then you can use the mid portion. Many of the things we will use here as a mid option. And then once the distance between them, you can take here as a 5 mm, 10 mm, whatever it is, and you can create this here. I just create this point. I also want to create this portion to this point also. If you need it, say. Okay. And then if you want to flip it, then you can flip it also. Like you flip upside and then you click on the upside first. Okay, but this is not doing the flip upside. To do this, and then if you do as this one, linear to the natural, okay, what they do? If you click here, okay,
Okay.
okay, this will be rebuilt error because this will be not working right here. If you click in this portion,
Okay.
here I think something will be happening. Why? Okay, again I create this one, select this one and click on web,
Okay.
will be shown, and then click on OK. This will be it. Right. This is the my web, right? If
Yeah.
I do as not this type of web, then what I do, I just delete this sketch. I just delete this sketch because I don't need this sketch also. If I click on I select my front plane again, just go to sketch, sketches to normal, and then make as a straight line, not a any curvy line, anything.
Okay.
And then come to exist my sketch, come to the feature. This is my certain. And then if you click on the dip option, then this type of wave will be created. If you write here as a 10 I just write here as a 10 sorry, it's 10 okay. And then click on OK. Then once you get here you got this type of wave. Okay. If your middle section, you can want to make this type of things and make anything right here, then you can create this way. Okay. This
Okay.
simple all as a
Hello.
yes. Hello.
Yes.
Okay. That's clear to you? How
Yes.
the read
Clear.
work? Okay.
Hello. Yeah. Clear.
Okay, that's good. If I again delete these portions right here, and what I do, I also delete this sketch and delete. And one thing I do here, select my front plane, go to sketch, click on the sketch to normal. And that's in this case, I used to make this portion to this portion, right? Okay. No, the other portion, this portion to this portion simply.
Okay.
And then I exit my sketch and come to the feature. Again, select my div option. This is my
Okay.
div.
Okay.
If I do as to this way, you can flip the material sides. If you click on the flip on the material side and click on OK,
Okay.
then I think something is issues right here.
Okay.
And if I do is this way, is this is not working. Okay, this is working. Uh, This is a portion. I think this will be work. Okay, this will be work. This kind of things will be work, but this kind of thing is not working. Again, I just select my div. Okay.
Okay.
Opposite direction. Okay. Any of the portion you can create here to down direction and anything, and any portions you can create here. This shapes will be worked. Right.
Right.
Okay. If you do that, then you can create many of the things between them. Right here.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then any execution you do. In this case, okay, this is called my rib. Simple shape you can create it by using this way. This is clear to you?
Yes, clear.
Okay. I think this is enough for today's class. You can practice on the fillet and the rib option. Okay, fillet and chamfer and rib option. After that, we as tomorrow onwards, we continue others topics also. Okay. And
Okay.
then something else to be also to explain in rib also. Okay, because sometimes just forget it. Okay. This clear?
Okay.
Any
Yes, clear.
doubts?
No doubt on the